आज हम बनाएंगे राजस्थानी पेंटिंग ऑन कुशन। उसके लिए मैंने सबसे पहले एक प्रिंट निकाला। प्रिंट निकालने के बाद इसको हमने सेंटर हाफ कट कर दिया। कट करने के बाद इसको एनलार्ज किया और एनलार्ज करके दो फ़ोटो स्टेट्स निकाल लिए। अब इन दोनों फ़ोटो स्टेट्स को मैं जोड़ करके एक बड़ी पिक्चर तैयार करूँगी ताकि मेरे कुशन के नाप की एक पिक्चर रेडी हो जाए। As if you have seen, I paste this picture. This is getting bigger. Now I take 1/2 meter cloth. We fold it like this. We have to prepare this photograph on that. This is very bigger in size. This cloth. So we make a smaller one. Only this much size we needed and little bit stitching side. So we will fold the cloth like this. And cut the extra cloth. Clear? I want this square at least. So I cut this side also cloth. So I get a square piece. I put my picture here, center of this cushion, or we can take little bit lower side. Here we can paint the sky scene also. So we can start from here. I paste with the help of sellotape one side. Now I take two carbon papers. I place one carbon paper below this seam and next carbon paper also under this seam. Now our tracing surface is ready. I paste this picture with carbon paper and cloth so we can easily trace it. This thing I already guided you in the 6th standard, so I hope you know it very well. These surfaces are ready. Now with the help of pen, I draw all the picture. ये अब हमने डिज़ाइन ट्रेस कर लिया है. नाउ वी सी एट द बैक कि डिज़ाइन वाकई में ट्रेस हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है. थोड़ा बहुत रह गया है. जो भी मिसिंग है उसे आपने देखना है और दोबारा उसको कंप्लीट करने की कोशिश करनी है ताकि आपकी डिज़ाइन कंप्लीटली इसके अंदर आ जाए. Now we check our design. Our design get complete. Wherever there is light, you can draw with the help of little bit pen using, so you can get your design. Or little bit changing according to you. You can do it. Now design is ready. Little bit हल्का सा sun is here. I draw the sun. Our scene is get ready. You have, as if you have seen. Now I start the paint on that. As if we have seen, this is our painting. We see this painting and afterward we will fill the color according to that. So I don't have at present the color printing. So I start with the other mobile, that key which color is there. So I see this and I will fill the color according to this design. Clear? Before starting the color, we will spread newspaper at the downside. I just show you. If you are not having any newspaper, you can spread the plastic sheet also. I just keep one pressing paper here. That is, you can say the butter paper also. And I start my coloring now. Whatever picture is deleting, I draw with the help of pencil. I just see the picture and I draw it here. So I draw all the painting here, whatever is remaining.